you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaitlin. I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, work, and travel vlogs. And today I have a very exciting find that I wanted to share with all of you. It's going to be a super quick video, so stay tuned. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I like to hunt on Amazon for designer dupes, and I think I found a real winner here. So I recently booked a trip to Nashville, Tennessee for my birthday in August, and I have been on the hunt for trendy, fun, flashy outfits, and this definitely fits the flashy part. I don't know what possessed me to really go looking for this item, but a lot of my favorite influencers were buying the real bag, but I just don't have $700 to drop on a bag, so I was looking for a dupe. So I believe this costs under $50. Prices fluctuate a little bit on Amazon, so I don't want to say exactly how much it was, but when I purchased it, it was definitely under $50, and this is a dupe for a bag by Alexander Wang. And that bag is called the Heiress Pouch in Rhinestone Mesh. I'll pop a picture of it on the screen here so you can see for yourself how closely they look to one another. But time for the grand reveal. No, just kidding. This was the dust bag it came in. But here is the bag. It's super cute, super tiny. I'm obsessed. As you can see, it has all of these shiny rhinestones on it. It has a black base. It's kind of this rectangular shape. It has a black faux leather handle with some silver hardware here. I have to say that the rhinestones look super nice. They don't look junky. They don't look tacky. I was really worried about that when I purchased it. I honestly thought I'd be sending it back because I thought it would look like way too tacky, but it has really great reviews. If you go on Amazon, it'll be, linked in the description box, but if you go on Amazon and search for this bag, it has like 4.8 out of 5 stars, and that's literally higher than a lot of like Amazon like cleaning products, like sweepers and irons and things like that. So I was like, I'm intrigued. It also comes in a variety of different colors. But as you can see, it is definitely more of a handbag, a shoulder bag, and I think it would look great with like an all black outfit like this. You're not going to be able to fit a ton in it. You definitely can fit your iPhone, especially if you don't have the Plus, so definitely can fit the phone in there for scaling purposes. You can probably fit like a lipstick, your debit card, your ID, maybe a hand sanitizer, some sticks of gum, but not a whole lot. You're not going to be taking your whole makeup bag in this. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it dancing, because I do prefer crossbody when I'm dancing because I don't want to have to like hold on to a bag or worry about it, but it is kind of nice because you can keep it like close to you at all times. And even if it is on your shoulder, like there's not a lot of room for like someone to reach in your bag because it's going to be pretty tight. That's kind of what it looks like on me sitting here. I just think it's super cute, and it will definitely add a pop of sparkle to any outfit. So I'll leave that link down below in case you're interested. I wanted to give my review on this because I know sometimes, Amazon to reality is not always 100%. But I'm super impressed with this bag, and I can't wait to wear it. I know this video was a little bit different for me. I usually make a lot longer videos, but I just wanted to hop on here and make a super quick video for this week. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the Nashville vlog. It's going to be really fun. Tell me any great recommendations that you have for Nashville down below. I think I'm also going to be doing a Nashville themed outfits haul next week, so definitely stick around for that and the actual vlog. I've been uploading really consistently on Sundays, so you can find me here. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!